Everyone is talking about crypto and altcoins, but do you know the right moment to enter the game? In this video, I'm going to show you what it takes to make smart investments in crypto and how to prepare yourself for success. Hi there, welcome to Crypto Dogmas, and today I'm here to answer a burning question: is now the time right for getting into crypto? The world of cryptocurrency can be overwhelming with all the options out there, so in this video, I'm going to give you a comprehensive guide on how to start investing safely and successfully in the world of altcoins. Crypto cycles and the importance of timing. One of the key factors to consider before diving into crypto is understanding the cyclical nature of the market. Cryptocurrencies, just like any other asset, go through cycles of highs and lows. These cycles can vary in length from weeks to months, making it crucial for investors to time their entry and exit points correctly. While it may be tempting to jump in when the market is at an all-time high, it's important to remember that what goes up must come down. Similarly, when the market is experiencing a dip, it may seem like a good time to buy, but it's essential to research and analyze the trends before making any decisions. Navigating the altcoin landscape. Cryptocurrency market is not just limited to the major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are thousands of altcoins available for trading, each with its own unique features and potential. Navigating this vast landscape can be overwhelming, but there are several strategies to consider when accumulating altcoins. These include diversifying your portfolio, researching and understanding the technology behind each coin, and keeping up with market trends and news. It's also important to keep in mind that altcoins can be highly speculative and volatile, so it's crucial to only invest what you can afford to lose. Building a strong foundation of knowledge and taking a calculated approach can help navigate the altcoin landscape successfully. Discover the exciting world of crypto investing and kickstart your own portfolio. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Click the official link in the description below. We understand the challenges of starting out, which is why we're offering up to 100 USD cashback when you open an account using our link. Visit the website for full terms and conditions. Get started today and seize this amazing opportunity. Bitcoin and altcoins? What's the relationship? Bitcoin, being the pioneer in the world of cryptocurrency, often sets the trend for altcoins. This means that when Bitcoin's price is on the rise, so are many other coins in the market. However, this doesn't always hold true, as some altcoins can also have independent growth patterns. It's important to keep an eye on both Bitcoin and altcoin trends to understand the overall health of the market. This will also help in making informed decisions when choosing which coins to invest in. It's also worth noting that altcoins can sometimes outperform Bitcoin, making them a potentially lucrative investment option. When will it pump? Understanding market cap and volume. Cryptocurrency prices are heavily influenced by market capitalization, which is the total value of the coins currently in circulation. The higher the market cap, the more stable the coin is likely to be. Nonetheless, this doesn't necessarily mean it will have a large return on investment. Volume, on the other hand, refers to the amount of trading activity happening for a specific coin. If there is high volume, it means that the coin is in demand and has a strong market presence. This can also indicate potential for growth in the future. When looking at potential investments, it's important to consider both market cap and volume to get a better understanding of the coin's current and potential value. A combination of high market cap and high volume can indicate a strong and stable coin with potential for growth. However, it's crucial to bear in mind that the cryptocurrency market is a roller coaster ride of volatility and unpredictability. Retail FOMO inflows. The fear of missing out is a common psychological phenomenon in the cryptocurrency market. Retail investors often enter the market during periods of hype and price surges, driven by the fear of missing out on potential profits. While FOMO can drive short-term price increases, it's important to remember that markets are volatile and prone to corrections. Making decisions based solely on FOMO can lead to impulsive and potentially risky investments. It's crucial to conduct thorough research and have a long-term investment strategy in place. How to successfully accumulate altcoins. Altcoins often have a lower price point compared to Bitcoin and can offer the potential for higher returns. To successfully accumulate altcoins, it's important to research the project and team behind each coin. Look for coins with a strong use case and an active development team. A good rule of thumb is to invest in a mix of established and emerging altcoins with a focus on long-term potential rather than short-term gains. Diversifying across different sectors and industries can also help mitigate risk. Proven methods and strategies. Accumulating altcoins can be a daunting task for cryptocurrency investors, but there are proven methods and strategies that can help. One popular strategy is dollar cost averaging, where an investor buys a fixed amount of a particular coin at regular intervals, regardless of price fluctuations. Discover the secrets of dollar cost averaging and master the art of navigating bear markets. Immerse yourself in our captivating video, tucked away in the top right corner. Get ready for an enlightening journey. Another method is to follow the buy low, sell high principal by accumulating altcoins during market dips and selling them during price spikes. This requires closely monitoring market trends and being able to identify potential buying opportunities. Additionally, participating in initial coin offerings can also be a way to accumulate altcoins at a discounted price. However, it's important to thoroughly research the ICO project and team before investing, as they can often be high-risk investment. It's also crucial to have a secure storage method for accumulated altcoins. Storing them in a reputable hardware or software wallet is recommended, as it reduces the risk of loss due to hacks or theft. Looking for a secure way to store your crypto but not sure where to start? We've got you covered. Check out the links in the description below for some amazing options. We partnered with the top players in the game, Ledger and Trezor. The Ledger Nano X and Trezor Model T are the rock stars of the crypto wallet market. Trust us, there's no better comparison out there. Visit their websites and prepare to be amazed. And hey, if you make a purchase through one of the links below, I'll receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for supporting the channel. Understanding crypto regulation and its importance. As the popularity and value of altcoins continue to grow, there is a growing need for regulation in the cryptocurrency industry. Governments and financial institutions are becoming increasingly involved in regulating crypto assets, which can have a significant impact on their value and adoption. Some regulations, such as anti-money laundering laws, aim to prevent illegal activities involving cryptocurrencies. Others focus on consumer protection by requiring exchanges and other crypto-related businesses to comply with certain standards. While some argue that excessive regulation can hinder the growth and innovation of cryptocurrencies, others believe it is necessary for mainstream adoption and stability in the market. The Australian Treasury has recently published its paper on regulating digital asset platforms, accessible through the link provided in the description. According to the paper, cryptocurrency exchanges holding substantial assets are advised to obtain an Australian financial services license from the Australian Securities and Investment Commission. The proposed regulations will specifically apply to exchanges with holdings exceeding $3.2 million, or where an individual stake expresses $946. These measures aim to ensure regulatory compliance and bolster the integrity of the digital asset market. This move is all about finding the right balance, ensuring the safety of users on these platforms without hindering the booming crypto industry in Australia, and considering the exponential growth of cryptocurrency in recent years. Around 25% of Australians now own some form of cryptocurrency. Adopting such a well-rounded approach becomes absolutely vital. In conclusion, as we navigate the complex realm of cryptocurrencies and altcoins, the timing of your entry into the market should be a decision grounded in comprehensive research, risk tolerance, and a clear understanding of the regulatory landscape. Given the Australian government's proactive approach to regulating digital asset platforms, there's an added layer of security and stability for prospective crypto investors. However, the dynamic nature of the market means that while there are opportunities for substantial gains, risks persist. Therefore, a strategic, well-informed approach is crucial. As the adage goes, do not invest more than you can afford to lose. This applies unequivocally to the world of cryptocurrencies and altcoins. Aspiring investors, your journey into the cryptoverse could be just a few clicks away. Arm yourself with knowledge, stay abreast of the latest trends, and step cautiously into the exciting, fast-paced world of digital assets. Trade safe and happy investing.